Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a new idea, something that I never done before, so I hope you like it. I'm super excited to share with you. This is gonna be the first time that I try gel nail polish, so we're gonna review Madame Glam's polishes, so stay tuned. We're gonna start with the polishes. So Madame Glam reached out to me and sent me this box with 3 nail polishes. A base coat and a top coat for review, so thank you so much to Madame Glam. I will link my code on the description below, TinyFingers.nailart, so you can get a discount when you buy in Madame Glam website. So I received this card with the application steps for gel. So prepare your nails, apply a base coat, apply the color and cure in between, and then apply the top coat and cure at the end. So I'm gonna walk you through all the steps of this process. We also are gonna see the UV lamp. So they sent me also this mini UV LED lamp, so you can take it on your trips. It's very small and very easy to pack, so I really like that, and it's charged with a USB cable. So here's the lamp and here are the instructions. So it's very simple. You have mainly 2 options for the button, which are 45 seconds or 60 seconds of curing your gel. So you can take a look also to the website for instructions about how to use it. Here's the lamp. It's very small. I was very surprised, very lightweighted, and I really like how convenient it is to take anywhere, and it doesn't take much space in your desk either. This is the cable, so you can connect this to the lamp. In the other part is a USB cable, so it's very convenient. Now we're gonna move on to the swatches. So they gave me the option of choosing 3 colors. So the first one is Fifth Avenue. This has a opacity level 4 out of 5, and here are the instructions of the website on how to use this. So first I prep my nail, I push the cuticle back, I buff a little bit the surface, and I clean my nail with rubbing alcohol. So this is the first color. The bottles are 50 milliliters, and the consistency is a little bit thicker than a regular nail polish. The brush is very easy to work with. It's a square. It doesn't have like a rounded tip, but it's super easy to use. I'm gonna be using the peel-off base coat for the first 2 swatches, but don't worry, the last one I'm gonna show you the base coat of gel so you can see the difference. So applying the first coat of this color, this is like a light caramel color. It's super easy to apply. The consistency is like very buttery, itself level, so I didn't have any issues using it. So after each coat, I'm curing it under the lamp for 45 seconds, and then I'm gonna apply the no white top gel polish. So this is also another step that you have to do at the end, just to seal everything that you've done. So I'm using only 2 coats for this color, and the result is actually very surprising, guys. This is completely dry after putting them under the lamp, so I'm super happy about that, and the color is beautiful. Now moving on to the second color, we have Toffee Break. This have level 5 out of 5 of opacity, and it's also like it's very similar to the first one. I thought, according to the website, that the colors will be a little bit different. The first one I thought it would be most like a mustardy color, lighter, which it is, but it's very similar to this one. This one I like better just because it's like a real caramel toffee color. Super pretty, super easy to work with too, and here I'm applying the top coat to get the final result. I'm super happy with the consistency of everything of these products. Here it is with 2 coats. And now the third color is Pumpkin Pie. This is also has a high level of opacity, and I'm gonna use the base coat that they send. This is the soak off. It's not peel off, it's the real gel base coat. So I'm gonna apply just 1 coat and cure it, and then I'm gonna apply the color on top, just the first coat. You can see that it's pretty opaque. I really like that, and Honestly, the formula is super easy to work with. This will save like a lot of time. If you've never used gel before, you're gonna be very surprised how this is so easy to apply, and also as they don't dry by air, you have to put them on the lamp so you can get enough time to just keep working on the application until you're happy with the result, and then you can put it under the lamp. So that part I really like. Honestly, it's so convenient to use gel now that I use it, just because it's so fast and you can have a manicure ready in just a couple of minutes with this system. So as you see, it's completely dry, no indentations when I try to put my nail on it. Perfect color for fall. Now, I know what you guys are thinking, how are gonna remove this gel, right? So first I'm gonna show you the swatches that I did with the peel-off base coat. And honestly, it wasn't that easy to remove as I thought it would be. So this is a regular peel-off base coat, but I will be interested on using like a gel peel-off base coat, which is also like a product that exists now. And I would like to see like the comparison and how easy and how long they last. So this one stuck like pretty well. In my opinion, it wasn't that hard to get it removed, but of course it's so much easier to do it this way. Now for the other swatch where I use the regular base coat that they sent me, I will have to file off the shine and kind of like break the first layer of the gel, and you will have like this matte appearance. So then I put acetone and just wrap it with aluminum foil around my finger just to get the gel like soften up, and actually that will help the removal process. So after 10 minutes, this is what happened. And actually I just wanted to show you this because it wasn't enough. So when I buffed the first layer, it wasn't just enough to allow the product to get into the deeper layers. So what I did was just to keep filing the color, and then I just put like a cotton ball with acetone again and leave it for 10 minutes again. So this method worked better because of course the layers are so well cured and they get very hard. So if you don't file enough, the product won't just get into the deeper layers. So for this part, I just use a orange stick, and it was pretty simple to just remove all the excess. Maybe if I could litter like a little bit longer, maybe 15 minutes or so, but I just found that acetone dried my nails so much that I didn't want to leave it like as long. And I did notice that I had some residue from the top coat on my nail, so I buffed it a little bit. And this part you have to be careful that you're not buffing too much onto your natural nail. So I make sure that all the product that I was buffing was really the top coat. And then I clean it up with a wipe and with rubbing alcohol. Well, and I was also curious about knowing if this gel will stamp. I know that there's some specific gel polishes that are made for stamping, but I just wanted to give it a try and see if it works, as all my nail art is basically based on stamping. So as you see here, the colors are pretty light. So with just one coat of this, like, it's not enough to see the full design. This one though was a little bit darker, so it did stamp. So I'm gonna show you like an up close shot, and here you can see that it's still stamped, but it's very light, the color. So I would recommend to go with the ones made for stamping. So here are the 3 swatches. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.